Fitbod Fitness Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get fitness apps wrong. They offer generic workouts that don't adapt to your progress. Fitbod Fitness uses AI to create personalized strength training routines, and the surprising truth is how well it adapts to your goals. You won't believe how quickly it can design an efficient, balanced workout plan tailored to your body and equipment. Here's how it works. You enter your fitness level, goals, available equipment, and workout preferences. Fitbod then generates daily routines, tracking your performance, adjusting sets, reps, and weights based on progress, and ensuring muscle groups are balanced over the week. For example, a beginner looking to build strength with dumbbells and a bench can receive optimized workouts that evolve as they gain strength, preventing plateaus. Most people get this wrong. They assume apps are one size fits all, but Fitbod's adaptive AI learns from your feedback and performance. The app also integrates with Apple Health, wearables, and activity trackers to log workouts and recovery metrics. Nutrition guidance and analytics help you measure progress over time. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features require a subscription, and not all exercises may be suitable for every fitness level. User should review instructions carefully. Most people assume AI automatically prevents injury. It supports safety, but awareness is still needed. In conclusion, Fitbod Fitness is ideal for anyone looking for personalized, adaptive strength training. Its AI-driven routines, progress tracking, and integration with health devices make it a powerful tool for efficient and safe workouts. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fitness apps and training tools.